Hello everyone, and welcome back to TechBlock. Today we are continuing on our work in this room here. We're going to be moving this secondary setup over here over to this side of the wall, not facing the window but facing the wall, and kind of seeing how that looks like, as I really want this beanbag to be in that corner. That's kind of where I originally planned the beanbag to be. So let's get that done and see how it looks like. Alright, okay, how do I feel about this? Okay, this could work. And the beanbag goes back in its place. Okay, this could maybe work. Okay, Alright, so as we walk into the office now, this is how things look like. I'm happy with the beanbag. I feel like it should stay in this area here, like in that corner. I feel like it looks good. However, for the rest of this space, kind of triggers me now that that desk and that desk have different table legs. But we can maybe live with that after we pick up Alex drawers for this tabletop. So that might be okay once we do that. But as for the rest of this, okay, beanbag's good. This setup, it's still a bit of a, I don't know. I'm kind of beginning to question whether or not I actually want a separate gaming setup in the same room. Because like we could, move that gaming setup to, hell, we could move it into my bedroom. There's a whole lot of space in here. We could move it into the guest bedroom. I mean, I don't really know where I'd put it in the guest bedroom, but we could shove it in somewhere, I'm sure. So maybe we'll relocate that second gaming setup elsewhere if it triggers me that much. I don't know, what do you guys think? Like, should we keep that second one? Some difficult decisions gotta be made here, that's for sure. Damn, dude. Anyway, one thing we can do is go over to the storage area and finally unbox my main PC, because it's in this box. We need to take it out, set it up. Wow. Hopefully it's still alive. I don't know why part of the box is kind of turned like a darker color in this section. I really don't know what's been going on with that. However, hopefully this PC still works, because the other one we transported, the secondary rig, that works absolutely fine. We tested that already off camera, but that PC case is absolutely a-okay. However, the main rig might be a whole different story. I did package it well. We took the graphics card out. So in theory, it should be fine. Oh, there we go. Oh, okay, that broke. Not the PC case, the styrofoam or whatever this is called. Okay, let's pop you right here for now. I need to take the side panel off. Things look okay. One thing I just realized though, is because we're gonna be putting the RX Vega 64 in this PC build, we need two 8-pin power connectors, not one. And ideally, both of the power connectors have to be white sleeved cables, as I have one 8-pin sleeved cable there, but I need a second one. And I'm hoping that second 8-pin cable, the sleeved one, is in this box right here. Because if it's not in here, okay, it's not in here. I really don't know where else it could be. All right, there's a chance it might be in the thermal take power supply. Ooh, but maybe not, because this is, ooh, damn. Oh God, okay. Cable. Well, we found sleeved PCIe cables. Unfortunately, they're both 6 pins. God damn it. Maybe it's in this box? Did I put it in here? Did I put the cable in here? No, of course I didn't. Oh, God damn it. I'm trying to think, like, where it could be. Okay. So the previous PC build we did was in the Game Max Starlight PC case, and the Thermaltake power supply is still in here. So we would have had two sleeved 8-pin PCIe cables in this rig. I've clearly taken one of the cables out and put them into this one. Perhaps I've left the other one in here. Oh my good God, this is not gonna come out easily. Bruh. Okay, well that's one way. Oh God, okay. Tempered glass. We found it, dude, we found it. Boom. here it is. Okay, let's take the side panel off of our main rig. God damn, that is on there tight, jeez. Okay, we need PCIe, and both of these will go into the RX Vega 64 card. Speaking of the RX Vega 64 card, we should probably get it unboxed. Now this one in particular is from Asus. It's the Asus Strix card. As you can see, we got a Strix logo there. And then we have the card itself, of course, in all its glory. We have 3 fans on here. It's wonderful. And as I mentioned earlier, this does need 2 8-pin power cables from PCIe. Still works, although the RAM lights aren't on, and they're on. All good, man. Alrighty, so the PC build is still functioning. That's all good. Oh, however, none of the peripherals are plugged in, but the monitor is, so we can switch to the PC, hopefully. Oh, there you go. All good. I don't see anything wrong with this at all. No, this is the resolution the monitor runs at, for sure. Yeah. Luckily, I own a lot of USB 3.0 extension cables. So what we can do is, because I've got like everything kind of plugged into one USB 3.0 hub from Anker, I can just kind of plug this into here and plug in like all my peripherals in with one cable. Boom. And now we should have a functioning mouse. We have a functioning mouse, all good, but we have no internet, which is a bit of a problem. Oh, what the hell? Why are you so zoomed in? So everything's working, everything's good. Apart from the internet and the resolution of the monitor. That will be resolved, of course, when you get an internet connection. You can download the right video drivers for your graphics card. But for now, the PC is gonna kind of have to deal with having no internet. I really can't do much about that. I have to move the whole router into this room. Ooh, wait a minute. No, wait a minute. Oh, damn. So in my bedroom, I happen to have one of these guys, and the camera's out of focus, lovely. An Orbi voice. Now you may be like, how is this Amazon Echo speaker going to resolve your internet problems? Well, allow me to demonstrate how freaking awesome Orbi is. I don't know why I didn't do this last time. This is freaking genius, man, holy crap. Orbi, I'm liking their like Wi-Fi mesh and everything more and more every single day. Like, this is sick. So this essentially kind of acts as like a power line connection, but instead of the internet traveling through, you know, your electrical cabling inside your home, it's through Wi-Fi, which is fine by me. And this Orbi voice speaker happens to have 2 Ethernet ports at the back, conveniently enough for, 2 PCs in this room. We got, one there at the other end of the room and then one right beside us. So we can just put the Orbi voice right here, grab an Ethernet cable. Now I've never tried this before, so I don't actually know if it's gonna work. Theoretically it should. If we unwrap our Ethernet cable, this is a bit too long for what we need, but it'll do. Ethernet in, plug it into the PC. Now the Orbi voice is still currently booting up and probably trying to connect to the main router, which if you're wondering where the router is, if we go into the living room, we have the TV there. The router used to be there, but it's now all the way over here. Right, so over here we have our EE modem. This is a 4G LTE modem. Real good stuff. We get absolutely insane internet speeds here because I've also added some antennas and stuff. It's just wonderful. We have an Arlo security camera system with like a siren and everything. And then over here we have Orbi, the router. And then over there we have the Orbi router. And that Orbi router is sending a very strong connection straight to the Orbi voice speaker. So then this becomes like a Wi-Fi hotspot as well. Just extends your whole Wi-Fi in your home in general. So Wi-Fi in this room is gonna be amazing. And we can also just run Ethernet directly from this into PCs, but it's still booting up. When will you finish booting up? Oh, damn. See that? I hope you see that. It's blue, which means we should have internet. It's currently still on like this yellow triangle thingy. It's like, no internet access, dude. Just this. Hello.
I don't know that one.
You don't know hello? Okay, fair enough. Now, one weird thing I've experienced about the Orbi voice is that it kind of hates me now. At least the Amazon AliExa function is kind of broken, which really doesn't make sense to me. Play Spotify. Now, if this works, I'll be surprised. But technically things should be working. Do I have internet? Yeah. I have internet, it works on my laptop. Why you not work? What's up with you? Why are you doing this? Maybe I'll try this port. Come on, man. Oh, do you want to? Sure. Oh, is this good? Do we have internet, dude? I just switched Ethernet ports on the Orbi voice, and now it's like, oh, no, it's all good, mate. No worries. Well, it's setting up devices. RX. Vega, oh goddamn. Help, my keyboard is no longer working. Razer, no. Can you not? Oh, my mouse is, oh no, the mouse is okay now, the mouse is okay, the mouse is back. Man, the resolution that this is running at is just beautiful. Okay, Radeon Adrenaline Edition. Hey, it's done downloading, okay. 2 of them, okay, install. It's gonna minimize everything. This is just awful to look at. This PC though, on the other hand, is not awful to look at all. It's pretty nice. I like it. Got the RX Vega 64 in there, which looks way better than a Founders Edition RTX 2060, because like the RTX 2060 had green LEDs and it just completely threw the whole build off. But luckily I have one AMD card that I bought myself a while ago, and that one, of course, fits this build much better. As I kind of went for like a white and red / black theme for this PC build, and it turned out like real nice. Detecting hardware. Hopefully it finds an RX Vega 64, else I'm gonna be a bit worried. Okay, I think we're good. 80 megabits down. Dude, this is beautiful. I think the video card driver just got installed. Hey, it looks normal again. Things look normal. All right, it's been installed. It's now streaming. Restart now, dude. Okay, we will restart. It's all good, mate. It's all good. Now I'm thinking for the time being, the setup might actually stay as a single monitor for the ultra-wide until we get, like, I don't know, man. I really don't know. Man, this cable management is just, it's gonna need some work, that's for sure. And I forgot to bring the drill over as well, because we're gonna, of course, be drilling a hole in this desk once again. Oh man. If you haven't seen my previous video of me drilling a hole in my other IKEA Linmon desk, it's a great watch. It's, I think the first time I ever used a drill, I used some random bit. I think it said it's like for wood use. We may have had the whole drill in reverse the whole time. It was just wonderful. Dude, this Orbi voice thing has saved my life. What is downloading? What is this? Thermaltake update. We don't have a Thermaltake power supply in here. What are you updating? Oh, Razer, what are you updating now? I'm kind of enjoying just like taking a step back and kind of looking at the whole setup and just kind of being like, okay, like I like where this is heading, you know? This has a lot of potential. It's pretty dope, man. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna fire up Battlefield 5 either on the laptop or on the main PC here. Just kind of play around, because dude, I've not played Battlefield 5 in so long and I really do like that game. It's a lot of fun. So I'm gonna probably hop on that a little bit tonight, play a few rounds of like a team deathmatch or something, have a good time. Oh man, Thermaltake. Why? Why are you running updates? There's no Thermaltake power supply in this rig. What are you doing? All right, and before we end today's video, in the previous one, I asked you guys in a poll where we should mount the Nanoleaf Aurora light panels, and it was kind of a close result, I guess. Option A being, as you enter the room, we're gonna have Nanoleaf Aurora light panels just above this radiator here, kind of going up on the wall or something. So that's what you guys chose, so 49% of the votes going to that one. And option D being Nanoleaf Aurora light panels above the main setup here, which 32% of you voted for. So maybe in the next video or the video after that, we're gonna finally set up Nanoleaf over here. However, cable managing that, oh man, that'll be a challenge, as the closest power socket is there and it has to go all the way here. Oh my lord. We're gonna need a lot of cable trunking, that's for sure. And after this Razer update, the PC wants to restart again. Course. But apart from that, everyone, hope you enjoyed today's video. We've made a little bit of progress. The PC is now set up. We can actually play games now. Pretty cool. We have a whole separate setup here. This has been moved over there. The beanbag's back where it should be. The sun is setting. Damn, dude. And the cable management still sucks. So thanks for watching. Hope to see you in another video soon. Goodbye.